the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream it too. There's nothing that, there ain't nothing that I need.
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you.
Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
How you doing?
Good. Enjoying life.
Yeah?
Yes.
What do you enjoy about life?
Family. Getting time to spend with them. You know, having great times of the year. You know, like Christmas, Christmas Eve. A bunch of our family's gonna be here. It's gonna be awesome. I love spending time with family.
It's great. Why do you like family?
Because, you know, as you grow up, you don't necessarily get to see them a lot or a whole bunch, and those special moments when you do, you have to cherish them. And that's the thing I do. I love being around family.
Do you like Christmas?
Yeah,
Why do you like Christmas?
because you get to spend time with your family and open presents and see some family that has been like away for a long time, like you and all that.
What are you doing? Rose was most likely conceived in Crested Butte, Colorado. And when we found out that, we decided to come up here to Washington to see Mark Schrager, who had some land up in Onion Creek. And the good news was that there was 10 acres of land right next to him, so we bought it and put up a teepee, went down to Santa Barbara to visit Shelley's parents, and then came back up in maybe February or March after spending a month on the California ocean beaches camping out. And Rose was actually born in the teepee in May at dawn, and that's why she's named Rose Morning. I delivered her. It was a terrifying experience because I did not know anything at all about delivering children, but everything went well, and now she lives here in Spokane and has 4 of her own children. It's good to be in Washington to see them.
Tell me about your mom.
She's too nice for her own good sometimes, and that she does things for people even when she shouldn't, but it brings her good karma, and she deserves that. She deserves to be happy and have good things happen to her. It's just, Mom, she's amazing. She's everything that I could ever ask for in a mom and a best friend, actually. For the longest time I couldn't ever talk to her about stuff, but now that I do, I really wish I had. She's trustworthy and sweet and selfless and just incredible in every single way. And she doesn't see that a lot of the time, but I see it and everyone else sees it. But I don't know, she's Mom and I love her. That's what I think of my mom.
Can you tell me about your mom?
She's a nice woman. I love her. She's always there for us. She helps us through schoolwork. Like when I was in my middle school years, she helped me through homework a lot, and really helped me. I love her. She's always there for me.
What do you like about what happened this last year?
I got my grades up. I am doing good in school. I'm finally doing good in math, actually. It's really good.
Can you tell me about your mom?
She's awesome. She's awesome because she gets me stuff, and it helps me with my stuff, and sometimes I need help from her, and yeah.
You want to tell me about your mom again?
Yeah. She loves to cook, and she loves to take a big nap.
She likes to take a big nap?
Yeah. And
You said you like naps too?
Yeah.
Did you get that from your mom?
Yeah, I think. And she loves us too.
She loves you?
Yes. She loves us no matter what, even if she gets mad.
She loves you no matter what?
Yeah.
Guess that's what moms are for, right?
And so our dads.
Tell me about your dad.
He loves to work on cars. And he loves my mom's dinner. I love how my dad watches. He loves the Seahawks. And he loves us no matter what.
He loves you no matter what?
Yep.
Tell me about something fun that you've done with your dad.
Built the tree house. We got a bunch of wood planks and nails and screwdrivers, and built it in my tree over there, and it was cool, and then it broke, and then yeah.
Tell me who your dad's favorite football team is.
Seahawks.
Why do you like watching football with your dad?
Because sometimes it's funny when he goes like, yeah, woo! When they score a touchdown or get a fumble or get an interception.
What do you do when they score?
I go like, yeah, let's go! Go Seahawks!
Can you tell me a little bit about your dad?
He's a hard-headed guy, but if you get to know him, or if you do things his way, or help him, whatever, get on his good side, it'll be a good day. I like that he's there for me. I like that he gives me opportunities to excel in life. I love my dad.
And what do you think about your dad?
Oh no. I love my dad a lot. He's strong, very strong-willed. He's smart even when he thinks he isn't, and he thinks he is all the time because he thinks he knows everything. He's funny and protective, and I don't know. I appreciate that about him. And I know that a lot of the time what he does for me is for the best, for my own good, and because he loves me, but there are times where it's a little overwhelming, maybe, if you ask me. If I didn't have him to protect me, I don't know what I'd do. I definitely feel a lot less safe, I guess. He's my guardian, and he's the guy I look up to, and the guy I will compare every guy to see if they're worthy of treating me well, I guess. I don't know. He's daddy. I'm his goose.
When you go through 16 years of knowing someone and knowing their family and dealing with all of that, it takes a lot of patience, and I really admire Dominic's ability to hang in there and be a good father and provide for the family and take care of 3 dogs at the same time. That's a lot. And he's still just as friendly and easy to be around as about anybody I've ever known. So I'm very happy for Rose that she found someone who has got such a solid character. I think it's really a beautiful family, and I'm proud that they're still together, and I hope they keep staying that way.
Get me in the position that I like the most, sitting or laying down.
My name is Isaiah.
Tell me, how old are you right now?
I'm 10, almost 11.
How old is Ecko?
7,
How old's Niko?
15,
Elijah?
17.
My name is Elijah. My mom. Well, I think she's an amazing person.
My mom and dad have always been there for me. I love them with all my heart. It's like, I don't know what I'd do without them. I really don't. My name is Niko Wolf Jackson.